We know why we're here. To stand behind all who serve.
To deliver the technologies vital to freedom.
All right, firing. Baseline out. Let me know when you get it. We'll shoot. Light them all up.
202 traffic, 260.
Come on, fire. Hey, Roger. Keep shoot. Keep shoot.
To help carry hope to those in need.
Roger, we have a black SUV or bongo truck picking up the bodies. Request permission to engage.
Bushmaster 7, Roger. This is Bushmaster 7, Roger, engage.
1-8, engage. Clear. Come on. Clear. Clear. We're engaged.
To help troops see danger before it sees them.
I just drove over a body. Yeah.
To give our warfighters every advantage.
Hey, I need to get the brass to drop ramps. I got a wounded girl. We need to take the rest of mine.
Oh, it's their fault for bringing their kids to a battle. That's right.
Around the globe, the people of Boeing are working together to give our best for America's best.
That's why we're here.